Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the phone is usable and unlocked. If battery is low, plug it in. Open Settings and use the search box to jump to accessibility because menus vary by Realme OS. Once there, scan the list for enabled services such as Talk Back, Select to Speak, and Switch Access. You need to identify which one you want to remove. Make a quick note. This prevents toggling the wrong service and saves time when you go to disable them. You now tap the specific accessibility service to open its details and controls. This is where toggles and permission settings live. Once open, flip the toggle off or press stop, and then confirm any system prompts because Realme may ask permission to change accessibility states. If the service resists, check for a persistent notification or device admin approval and revoke it. Make sure to enter your PIN or pattern when you finish by removing any app-level access, and if the service came from an app, uninstall that app to prevent reactivation. Once done, restart your Realme to clear residual processes and then reopen accessibility to verify the service remains off. If something re-enables or you can't turn it off, boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app is forcing it active. This narrows down the culprit. If safe mode fixes it, uninstall the offending app and reboot normally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.